out in 3c, 51. So it is x square minus 2x plus 7 by 16. So take LCM. 16x square minus 32x plus 7 by 16. Keep this 1 by 16 outside. 16x square minus 32x plus 7. Now product needed is 16 into 7. And the sum needed is minus 32. So 16 into 7, you can write as 4 into 4 into 7. 7 4s are 28 and 4. 16x square minus 28x minus 4x plus 7. So here common is 4. 4x into bracket 4x minus 7 minus 1 into bracket 4x minus 7. So it is 4x minus 7 and 4x minus 1. Outside it is 1 by 16. This is the answer.
Yes.
52 is also the same way. You have to do 1 by 3 x square minus 2x minus 9. So here also take LCM. This will be x square minus 6x minus 27 by 3.
The same
So
way.
keep 1 by 3 x square, yes. 27 is 9 threes are 1 by 3 x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 27. 1 by 3 x into bracket x minus 9 plus 3 into bracket x minus 9. So it is x minus 9 into x plus 3. Outside 1 by 3.
Thank you.
Fine.
Yes.
Any doubt you have? Madhushri, till now any homework I didn't get. Ankita, Rupika, Amrita, homework I am not getting. Daphne and Trishila and Tanya, I got it. Anurag, I got.
Ma'am, I will send it to you today after class.
Every time, earlier also homework, any of the homework I didn't get. Ganesh, your homework?
Send it you after the class now.
So you have to, whenever the homework is given, immediately you have to complete and send me.
Okay, ma'am, I'll send you.
Everyone, I'm not getting any homework. Otherwise, I will make you do again everything.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, you had to do till question number 60 or more than like 60? Because there
3C
are more
full.
questions.
3C full.
Oh, okay.
So I've sent the one PDF now which has the full third chapter of exercise, third chapter, all the exercise.
I will complete the rest once and send you today.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I'll send.
Fine. Then next is now we were doing NCRT first, so we'll finish NCRT and come back to this part. So 3C, everyone done properly, solve everything again and again because this part is very important and the same thing will continue till 12th. You need to solve all these questions the way. This is a basic part, it is explained. And then furthermore, every year it will keep coming. Okay. Then NCRT, we have solved till class question number 4, then 5th one. Now factorization. So in this one, we have to factorize it. That means this is in the form of expanded form of some term. Some of the identities we have to check out in which expand. This is in the expanded form of it. So if you check 4x square, 9y square, and 16z square. So this is the sum of 3 square terms. So 3 square, that means we have to check out the trinomial square then. So which trinomial square is this? This is a possibility that this is a square of some trinomial, because here you can see the first term square, second term square, third term square. Now here the product of first and second term, product of second and third term, and the product of first and third term. So this is only possible in the trinomial square, square of the trinomial. That is, we have seen the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we have to write this full thing in this form. So we have this part, and from that we should get this part. So now write the equation properly, write the polynomial properly, and check out what is the value of a, b, and c. So 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now whose square is this? 2x whole square. 9y is 3y whole square. 16z square is 4z whole square. Now, but here these two terms are minus terms. That means any one of the three terms is negative. Now, which one is negative? For that, find out this minus and this is also minus. In that, what is a common term is present? Which is a variable? Variable is common in both of these.
Z.
Z. So consider Z as negative. So 4Z we have to consider as a minus 4Z. And then check whether it is in that form, 2ab form. So 2 into 2x into 3y. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12xy plus 12xy. Do we have? Yes, we have. Now plus 2 into bc. 2bc is 3y. 2 into 3y into minus 4z. So that means, do we get the same answer as this one? 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 minus 24yz. Do we have? Yes, it is minus 24yz. Now again 2ac. 2a is 2x and c is minus 4z. So 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and minus 16xz. We have? Yes, it is minus 16xz. So that means we have written the same equation in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So whose expansion is this? What is the a value? So it is, this part is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. This value is equal to. So we need a value. So what is a? It is 2x. A is equal to 2x. What is the value of b?
3y.
3y. And c?
4Z.
Minus 4Z.
Minus
4z.
4Z.
Minus 4z. So therefore our final answer is a plus b plus c whole square. 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So the two factors are 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So these are the two factors of the given equation.
Ma'am, in the exam, was it necessary to write these steps?
Yes, you have to write down. You have to show this equation is in the form, this one, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and that is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So you have to write the value of a, b, and c, and then you have to substitute.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down. If completed, try the next one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I just now came, ma'am. So can you just show what and all you did?
this is only done.
Okay, okay. Ma'am.
And why you are late?
Ma'am, actually,
And yesterday
I
also you were absent.
yesterday no, ma'am. I was present, ma'am.
Rupam, no, Rupam, you were not there in the beginning. I've seen that.
No, ma'am, I was present, ma'am.
With different name.
No, it was
What
Rupam
we have
only.
done? What we have done yesterday?
Ma'am, the identities, no, ma'am, you are showing.
And after that?
Then the NCRT book questions.
Ma'am, I completed the next one.
Okay, Pranjal. So here, second part, the same way it is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus xz.
Ma'am, even I completed.
Okay, so 2 is the square of root 2 x whole square plus y square, and 8 square root of 8 is equal to 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2 z whole square. Now next part we have to write here which term is negative. 2 root 2 xy, this is negative term, and the last term is minus 8xz. So which is a common variable here?
X.
X is common, so value of x is negative. So minus root 2x whole square. So 2ab form minus 2 into root 2x into y plus 2 into bc, 2 into y into 2 root 2 z plus 2 into ac minus root 2x into 2 root 2 z. Is it right? Now whose square is this? What is the value of a then?
Minus 2 root X.
2 root 2x.
Sorry.
2x.
B is equal to?
Y.
And C is equal to?
2 under root 2 Z.
2 root 2 z. Then this is the answer of this is a plus b plus c whole square. So that is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. So this is equal to minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Everyone, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupika, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I did not understand.
A plus b plus c whole square formula, reverse way. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square. 2ab, 2bc, 2ca form. So we have to write in that first order. So we
Okay.
have to show it is a square of a square plus b square plus c square. We are representing the same thing in this way. So that from that we are getting the value of a, b and c.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just the reverse way.
Reverse way. Instead of now expanding the expanded form, we have to convert back to the original form. Whose square is that you have to calculate? Okay. Done. Fifth question. Fifth question. Have you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just, ma'am, wait 1 minute, ma'am, just.
The next is write the following cubes in the expanded form. So that means we have to use the identity here, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So what is the value? First one is 2x plus 1 whole cube. That means value of a is 2x and b is equal to 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to a cube, that is 2x cube, plus b cube, that is 1 cube, plus 3 into 2x into 1, 3ab into bracket a plus b. So now expand it. 8x cube. 2x whole cube means the cube of 2 also. 8x whole cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2x is 6x into bracket 2x plus 1. So 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. So this is the expansion. And finally, generally all the polynomials are written with decreasing order of the variable exponents. So we can write this as 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. It is not mandatory, but this is the standard method of writing any polynomial.
Ma'am, I got the answer for second one.
Okay, so continue all four. Everyone do the all four. But follow the proper steps.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Second one,
Hmm.
2a minus 3b the whole cube.
Yeah.
It is in the form of a minus b the whole cube.
Yes.
So while writing, should I write 2a the whole cube
Yeah.
minus bracket minus 3b the
No,
whole
no, 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 no. When you are taking minus outside, that means again you are not using. So that if you want to take b value as a negative, at that time you have to use the a plus b whole cube formula then.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I got answer for all, ma'am.
All done. Good.
Ma'am, even I completed all.
Okay. Very good. Everyone completed 4 questions?
Last question we are doing.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Now next question. Same identity we are using, but not for polynomials, for the numbers. Everyone first check the answers. What is it? 2a minus 3b whole cube, that is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 to the 18 is, no, 4, no, 4, 3 are 12, 12 is 36. 36a square b plus 9, 9, 3 is 27, 54 ab square. Is it right? The third one,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to a cube, that is 27 by 8 x cube plus b cube is 1 cube is 1 plus 3ab, that is 3ab, that is 3a square b. 3a square b is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 x square by 4 plus 3 3 is 9 by 2x. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one is x minus 2 by 3y. This is equal to x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 3 square 3 2 2xy x square y and plus 4 by 3 xy square. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is evaluate. The same identity we are using it for numbers. So we have to write this in the form of a plus b or a minus b whole cube. So 99 we can write as 100 minus 1 whole cube. 99 cube we can write as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So this is, what is the value of a is 100, b is equal to 1. So that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b.
Ma'am, I got answer, ma'am.
100 cube plus 1 cube plus
Ma'am,
3.
here the value of b is minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1, right. 100 minus 1. So 100 cube means on 2 zeros. So cube means 6 zeros here. Multiply with 3. So that is 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 300 into 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 minus 99 into 3.
Ma'am, 30,000.
29700. Wait, let me check. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Yes, right. 29700. So what is the difference of this one? 1 6 zeros minus addition of this because both of them same sign. 29701. What is the answer of this? Here you have to do it very carefully because sometimes I also goes wrong.
Ma'am, 9702999.
970299 is the answer.
Number here, if you do 99 cube by multiplying, it will be more easy.
99 cube by but we have to use identities for that.
Yeah.
Then 102 cube will become 100 plus 2 whole cube. Then try this one.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, to this third one.
Ma'am, I completed all.
Ma'am, even I completed all.
Okay, fine. Wait for others. They will finish. Then we'll proceed further.
Thousand cube. Ma'am, is the answer of second one 1061208?
Figure others. You got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
What's the answer? 10?
1061208.
Yeah.
Third one is 998 whole cube. That means 1000 minus 2 whole cube.
Ma'am, for third one, I got 99401192.
99.
401192.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Finish first. Everyone done. Do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And for second one, I got something else.
That's what I'm checking. Others got the same answer or not?
Ma'am, ma'am, I got 1062016.
1 second. Okay. What is you got it?
1062016.
10620016. 10620016. 2 cube. No, it is wrong. because there is 2 cube at the end. 2 is there. Then it should come 8. This is not possible. It is all addition. So check proper addition.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got 993087992. Instead of 40, I got 30.
Was it you got 3 zeros?
No, and instead of 11, I got 87.
Let me check that. Nine nine 40111992. This is right answer. Whatever it is written, that is right answer. So calculation somewhere have done mistake.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you solve second one?
Okay, I will solve. 1 second.
Yeah, I guess I have done mistake. I understood.
Second one is 102. That means 100 plus 2 whole cube, a cube, that is 100 cube, plus 2 cube, plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. 6 zeros, plus 8 plus 600 into 102. 6 zeros, plus 8 plus 00, 6 2s are 12, this one 612. So add everything. 5 zeros, no, so here it is 5, it will come 6. 106 1 2 0 8. If you do the proper addition, you will get this.
Ma'am, actually I first added, then I multiplied.
Okay, no. Which is added?
Ma'am, I added,
600 you have added here.
yes ma'am.
Oh no, first multiplication, BODMAS rule. And the same thing for 998 cube is equal to 1000 minus 2 whole cube is equal to 1000 cube. That means here's 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 2 cube is 8. Minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 998. So it is 9 zeros. 4, 9 minus 3 to the 6, 6000 into 998. So 998 into 6. 59800. 88000. 8 minus this is no. Now add these two and then subtract from 1 on 9 zeros. Minus 5988008 and do the subtraction, you will get the same answer 9940119992.
Ma'am, here you have written answer 9940. Instead of this 40, I'm getting 39.
No, you have done some mistake. Subtraction difference.
So what I I subtracted 6088007.
How 6088?
Ma'am, I did, you converted the 1000 minus 2 to 998. I didn't do that.
So then what you have done?
I multiplied it
So
separately.
1000 separately and then this one separately, 2 separately.
Yeah.
Then check that is addition subtraction you have to do properly.
I'll check, ma'am.
Check that difference. Now the next is reverse factorization. Just now we have expanded. Now we have to factorize the same part. So here it is. First one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the expansion of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b, and finally this is the expansion of, both of them are the expansions of a plus b whole cube. So find out what is a and what is b from this. So first you have to convert this equation in this form. So which is a and which is b, that you have to calculate first. This is 2a whole cube. 2's cube is 8, so it is 2a whole cube. This is b whole cube plus 3a square, 2a square into b plus 3a b square. So this is the form, this one. 12 means 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12a square b, and this is 3 into 2a plus b square, that means 6ab square. So now this is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. So what is a here? What is the first term?
Wait.
2A.
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 And what is the second term?
B.
And all are positive signs, so it is plus b whole cube. So the factors are 2a plus b, 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Clear? Now the second one, the difference also I will show you. 8a cube, the same
Yes,
term
please.
with the different sign opposite. Plus 6ab square. Now here b value is minus b. So here it is 2a whole cube plus minus b whole cube. Minus b whole cube is minus. So minus 3 plus 3 into 2a square into minus b plus 3a b square minus b square. So the same thing I have transferred in this form to show that it is the cube of a cube, b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square.
Ma'am, I can show it in the form a minus b the whole cube also.
Yeah, fine. You can show that way also. So this is 2a minus b whole cube. So this is equal to 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then complete. Complete the remaining ones. So write down this and complete the remaining ones.
135 is what square?
130?
5.
No, it's not a square.
Then how is it coming?
125 is the square. Sorry, cube.
But is there printing mistake then?
Where?
Question number
125 a cube minus 135 a.
yeah, so 135 should be something square.
3a square b. So b is a number here, not a variable. Variable is not there.
So this term is 3ab square.
Yeah, a3ab.
Yeah, so b is 135.
3a square. A square is what? 27 is 3, no?
Yeah.
So that means only variable will not be there. This is in the form of 3a square b. 27 minus, third one is 27 minus 125a cube plus 135a minus, sorry, minus 135a plus 225a square. That means this is in the form of 3 cube
Got it.
minus 5a whole cube minus 3a square b. 3a square, that is 3 square b. B is what? 5a plus 3a b square.
Yes,
So that means this is 3 minus 5a whole cube. So 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a.
Ma'am, I got answers for all, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I completed all the questions.
Only here your main aim is to find the value of a and b, so that you can get to know from the this one cube terms. So in the 64 this one fourth one is 64a cube. Whose cube is this?
8.
8a. And the 27 minus 27b cube is a square
Ma'am,
cube
4
of
cube. 4A
Ma'am,
cube.
4a. Sorry,
4
4a
cube.
whole cube. And this is minus 27b cube is
3 cube.
3b minus 3b.
3B.
So 4a minus 3b whole cube.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed. Good.
I'm completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you just show the third question answer?
Third question, it is 3 minus 5a whole cube. 3 minus 5a whole cube. Fourth one is 4a minus 3b whole cube. And the fifth one is
CP minus 1 by 6.
minus 1 by 6.
2 minus
3,
1 by 6.
yes, 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube.
ये वाला है क्या?
Now the next question is verify. We have to verify, that is RHS and LHS we have to prove equal. So how to prove equal? Start from RHS, multiply it. So we have to, this is a binomial, this is a trinomial. We have to multiply it. So multiply, you multiply now with x, multiply to this term, all the three terms, with y, multiply to all the three terms.
Ma'am, I did both of them, ma'am.
Then I got the answer.
Then I got that.
Okay, good then. Both of them.
Yes, ma'am.
So x into bracket x square minus xy plus y square plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. So this is x into x square is x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus x square y minus xy square plus y cube. Minus x square y plus x square y cancel. Xy square minus xy square cancel. So answer is x cube plus y cube, that is LHS. And the same way, the next part is, this is the first part. Next verification also the same way. X minus RHS we have to multiply x square plus xy plus y square. So it is x into x square plus xy plus y square minus y into bracket x square plus xy plus y square. So we will get this as x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus xy square minus y cube. So plus x square y minus x square y, these two get cancelled. Plus xy square minus xy square cancel, becomes 0. So what is left out term? X cube minus y cube. This is LHS. So RHS is equal to LHS. Hence verified. Okay, clear? Now these two factorization, these properties we have to use for the next 10th question. Where that is the method of factorization. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, 27y cube plus 125z cube. So that means whose cube is 27y cube?
3.
3y.
3y whole cube plus 125z cube is
5z.
5z whole cube. So now a cube plus b cube, just now you have seen x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So write this. What is the value of x we got? 3y, and what is the value of y is 5z. So 3y plus 5z, one bracket. Then second bracket is square of first term. So 3y square minus product of both the terms, 3y into 5z plus square of second term, 5z whole square. So this is equal to 3y plus 5z into 3y whole square is 9y square minus product of these two is 15yz plus 25z square. Is this clear? So now this is the factor. These are the two factors of this polynomial. Is this clear? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hanif, Vishal. Yeah, one more information. That is whoever in the first test, maths first chapter test, whoever got less than 20, they are writing retest on Wednesday. Timing I will tell you.
Ma'am, I didn't get the mark.
Oh shit. I forget again to send you. After some time I will send you after the class. You have sent me an image form, no, so that's the problem happened. All PDF I have downloaded and this one only left.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Both.
Both done. Good.
Ma'am, I completed.
Ma'am, even I completed.
Aditya, done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the second one.
Okay, fine.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed 11th question.
Okay, fine. So to factorize the next part, we have to use the last identity, 10th identity. That is, this is, you can see, it's a cube of 3 terms. One term, second term, third term. 3 cubes are there. So that is only the last identity. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So this is in this. Now given polynomial is in this form. We can see that, we can compare it. We always comparing, you have to find out which identity where we have to use it. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc form is this. So then what is the value of a?
3x.
It is 27x cube. That means whose cube is 3x. B is y and c is
Z.
so we have to write in this RHS side, we have to substitute these values. So this is equal to a plus b plus c, that is 3x plus y plus z into a square, that is 3x square plus y square plus z square minus AB, product is 3xy minus BC, y into z minus CA, that is 3xz. So this is equal to 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. So these are the factors of given polynomial. Is this right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So more questions we have to see, we have to go through. That is from RS and RD. So first we are finishing the NCRT and then we will go through one by one. Every polynomial again, every identity again we are going through.
NCRT over, right?
No, still not. Still our questions are there.
Oh.
13, 14, 12, 13, 14 I think so there are 15. 16 questions are there totally. So you have to verify. That means again from RHS you have to solve to get the LHS part. So it is starting from RHS 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z, x plus y whole square, y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That is equal to 1 by 1. We have to open the brackets. Inner brackets we have to open first. So x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy plus who is there? Another one who can tell me? Rupam, tell me the square, this one, second bracket. Rupam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not visible to me. Yeah, now here. Okay. Yes. Y minus z whole square is?
Y minus z whole square.
Yes, Rupam, fast. Last year you have learned. It's not this year you are learning.
It is this thing. Y square minus z square.
Very good. Go and again read in the class 8th only. Stay in the class 8th only then. After solving 12 questions, you are not knowing a minus b whole square.
It is a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Then why not you are able to find out the y minus z whole square?
Okay. With that.
What's the answer?
So it should be y square minus z square. No. Y square plus z square minus 2yz.
And z minus x whole square?
Z square plus x square minus 2zx.
So here x square plus x square will become 2x square. So this and this part done. Now y square plus y square. I'm not cancelling, I'm adding. So that is I will get to know that is which part I have completed. Now z square plus z square will become 2z square. Now this part done, this part done. Now what are the terms left out? Minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. So now here it is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z in bracket. Now everywhere 2 term is there, so that take 2 common. So in bracket left out is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. So this is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this is, we have the identity. Just now we have written this identity. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So whose expansion is, whose factors are these?
And this is the 10th identity.
Yeah, so what is the value of this then?
X plus y plus z whole cube.
X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x.
So this is the RHS part, LHS part. LHS is the same now. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then write down. क्या बोल रहे हो? हम बोल रहे कोई भी नहीं है, स्टोरी लो, स्टोरी से कोई भी चीज नहीं।
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the 13th question based on the same part. This I already explained you. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Can you show this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So write the identity of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Write the first identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So now in this identity, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then LHS will become 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So 0 into anything is 0. So therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0, and therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is proved.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. This one, 14th one, we have, without actually finding cubes, we have to find the answer of this. This is in the form of a cube, b cube and c cube. So first find out the sum of this. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. A value, if you consider minus 12, b is 7 and c is equal to 5. When we find out the sum of it, minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, it will become minus 12 plus 12 will be 0. So this means a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what?
This cube will also be 0.
A cube
A
plus
cube,
B cube
b
plus
cube plus c cube is equal to
C.
3abc, 3 into product of those terms. So therefore 12 cube plus minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So minus 36 into 5 into 7, it is minus 180 into 7, this is
Minus
120.
1260.
1260 is the answer. That's it. No need to find out the cubes and then add, subtract. No need to do anything. Is it clear? So always whenever the cube of 3 terms is given, it is always in the form of last identity. That is a plus b plus c is 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you solve the next one? Second one then?
Yes, ma'am.
So second one also check. 28 minus 15 and minus 13. The sum is 28 plus minus 15 and minus 13 is minus 28. So 28 minus 28, answer is 0. So therefore a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, even I got the answer.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay.
Is
Both 14 years?
it 5040?
1 second.
Ma'am, I got
No.
something else.
16,380.
Yes, ma'am. 16380.
Yeah, 16,380.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got 5040.
No, you have not done 3abc.
Yeah, I did.
Then three into 28 is 84 into minus minus plus 15 threes are 45, 4, 195. So 195 into 84.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Sixteen three eighty. The next question is, give the possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. Area is given. Area is equal to length into breadth. So that means we have to convert this expression into product of two terms. And those and those two product means it's factors. So that means we have to factorize it. So we need to factorize this part. One by one we have to factorize. First one is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So we need to factorize it into two terms. So what is the product needed?
300.
25
25 into 12. Now we need 35. So 25 can be written as 5 into 5.
5 into 5.
And 12 is 3 fours are.
Ma'am, 20 into 15.
5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So 15 and 20 are the two terms. 25a square. Now both should be minus because the product is positive. So minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. So take common, 5a is common. So 5a minus 3 minus 4 is common. 5a minus 3 because minus sign, the sign of both the terms will change. So now brackets common, 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. So one of them is length and one of them is breadth. So length is equal to 5a minus 3. Breadth is equal to 5a minus 4.
The longer is length.
Yeah, anything. We can consider anything, so don't think that much again.
Yeah.
Second one is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So you need the product as 35 into minus 12. Product is negative. That means difference of two terms should be 35, 12, 13. 35 is 7, 5 and 12 is
Minus 4 into 3.
3 and 4. Anything. We will take minus sign afterwards. We'll use that one. So here it is 7 3s are 21 and 5 4s are 20. Doesn't work. Then 7 4s are 28 and 5 3s are 15 will work. 28 and 15. The difference is 13. So therefore now out of this larger number should have the middle terms sign and second one is opposite. So 28 should have plus sign and 15 should have minus sign. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. So factorize it. So both are divisible by 7. 7y into bracket 5y plus 4. Now here common is 3 minus 3. So 5y minus taken common. So sign will be opposite now. Minus will become plus. This minus also will become plus. 3 4s are 12. So it is 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. So any one of them is length and any one of them is breadth. So length is equal to 5y plus 4 and breadth is equal to 7y minus 3.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
So now 16th one, the same way you have to factorize. Completed? 16th one. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? So volume. Now volume means it is length into breadth into height. That means three products we need. So that means we have to convert. This is we have to factorize again, but we should get the three terms. So only simple factorization you have to do. First one is 3x square minus 12x. So take, what is common here?
Ma'am, 3 table.
3 and x is common. So it is x minus 4. So that means we have first term 3, second term x, and the third term is x minus 4. So length is 3, breadth is x, and height is x minus 4. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And next one is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So first all three are divisible by 4 and k is present in all the three. So we have to take 4 and k out. So what is left out? 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now factorize the inner bracket.
Ma'am, now only we can't write L is equal to 4, B is
But
equal
here it is completely not factorized. It is not in the simplest form.
Is it necessary?
Yes. Because it is, we can further simplify. So we have to simplify that. So this is equal to 3 into 5. Product needed is minus 15, 3 into 5. And the product is negative. So difference of two term is 2. That is 3 5s are. Larger number should have the middle term sign. That is 5. 5 is plus and the 3 is minus. 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. So 4 into k is equal to, common is only y. So 3y plus 5. Now nothing is common, so minus 1. So sign will change, 3y plus 5. So this is equal to 4k into bracket 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So now we have 4 terms. So any one we can consider as L, any one as breadth. L is equal to 4k we will consider. Breadth is equal to 3y plus 5 and height is equal to y minus 1. Anything, anywhere you can consider, doesn't matter.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it is like 4k into bracket 3y plus 5 and
Y minus 1, yes.
4k also we can write a bracket and there will be only 3 terms.
Yes, that will also possible. Anything you can do it. Many possibilities are there. It is not only one possibility, any possibility. So k is inside the bracket also possible. K is inside this bracket also possible. Or maybe k outside, 4 inside the bracket, that is also possible. There are multiple possibilities are there. You can use any one of them. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have completed NCERT. Now you have to do the simple, this one exercise I will tell you as a homework so that you can easily solve. That is 3D and 3E. Try to finish.
3D and 3E.
Yeah, 3D and 3E exercise. It is a, this one, cube is a square, trinomial square, sorry. 3D and 3E. 3D has a plus b plus c whole square. Identity is used. And 3E is a plus b whole cube identity is used.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so these two part you can finish it. So A and B I will take it next class.
Okay,
A and
ma'am.
B, there are
Okay,
many
ma'am.
different types of questions are there in A and B. So 3A and 3B I will start in the next class. Okay, so these are
Thank you,
easy.
ma'am.
You can solve by yourself. So try to complete it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.